welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Eurelis and welcome to my beauty space. Today's video is going to be a quick get ready with me. I literally have to run out the door, so I'm just gonna do this really quickly. Thank you again so much for watching. Before you leave, please make sure that you hit the subscribe button, leave your comments below, and give me a thumbs up. And I'll see you guys on the next one, and don't ever forget to glow. Bye guys. You already know I got them brows on, and I'm going to work with my little Life palette here. I am taking the shade Chickadee from Makeup Geek, and I'm placing that in my crease with my big fluffy brush from Morphe. This is legit one of my favorite shades. This is also from Makeup Geek in the shade Morocco, and I'm going to concentrate that on my outer V area. This is a throwback shade for me. This is from Inglot. This is in the shade 335. I fell in love with Inglot so long ago. I'm talking about years ago, like when I first started doing makeup, and now I just like completely forgot about Inglot until JLo came out with her collab. So I'm definitely gonna check that out. Now I'm going in with another favorite. This is Anastasia Single Shadow in Fudge. I love this brown so much. It's just like a nice neutral brown. It definitely goes with every single eye look you want to do. For my lids, I'm gonna use Yes Please palette from ColourPop. Yes, mine is all beat up. I mean, it does have a lot of fallout, but I love this palette. And I'm going to mix Full Zip and Spoiled because I kind of wanted to go with like a sunset vibe, like when the sun is like legit going down and it like creates this beautiful orangey golden realness in the sky. So that's the vibes I'm going for today. Now I'm going back and forth with my brushes to make sure that everything is nice and blended all together. I'm using all of my favorites today. I am using MAC's Eye Khol in the color Costa Riche. I have mentioned this eyeliner so many times in my videos because it is just that freaking bomb. You need this liner in your life. And I'm just going to use that to align my upper lash line. To make sure that the liner stays in place, I am going to just set it with this eyeshadow from Makeup Geek called Cocoa Bear. To further define the upper lash line, I'm going to take the shade from Colourdraine called Black Moon, and I'm going to take an angled brush and slowly press this against my lash line and blend it all together. It's mascara time, and I'm using my favorite at the moment. This is Maybelline's Big Shot Mascara. For lashes today, I am sticking with the Christina lashes. I love these lashes. They are available on Amazon and they're super affordable. You could get like a big pack. I think a pack of like 8 or something, but don't quote me. I really don't know. But I do know that it's affordable and you get a couple of lashes out of it. Nothing new here. I am just color correcting before I apply my foundation to get rid of all of my darkness. We ain't trying to look dusty and dry out here, so I'm using my primer from e.l.f., which is the hydrating one. For my nose, I like to use a different primer because I do have a lot of oil, so I'm going in with my Tarte primer. Since I am taking photos, I wanted to use the best foundation I have for that, so I'm using Makeup Forever's Ultra HD foundation and singing my ass off. We are trying to highlight today. So for concealer, I'm using ColourPop's No Filter Concealer. And I'm just doing these stripes across my face. And I'm going to go in with L'Oreal's Pro Glow conditioner. I love adding in this concealer because it just works for me. Like, I like the color it gives me. I can't really find a concealer to match the exact color that I'm looking for without it looking too effing crazy. You know what I'm saying? Whenever you're gonna take some photos, you really want to exaggerate your makeup just a little bit, which is why I went so heavy on my concealer. Don't ever play yourself. Always make sure that you set your concealer no matter what. I like to use my beauty blender for it, and all I do is spray a little bit of Fix Plus, and then I go in with the powder, and then I apply it to my under eye. I just feel like it makes your under eye look more hydrated and looks more flawless. I smile a lot and I laugh a lot, especially around Benny. So I have to set my smile lines, and I'm just going to use the same powder for it and set it all with some Fix Spray. My favorite step, I'm going to contour. I legit be doing my makeup just to contour and highlight. Like, those are just my favorite steps in makeup. And I'm going to use my Maybelline Master Contour Kit for this. Don't forget that double chin, girl. Don't play yourself. I am not a heavy nose contour person, so I just like to use my big fluffy brush for this. Never leave your house without that glow, and I'm using Anastasia and Amrezy highlighter. Amrezy, I should say. And I'm going to put this on my cheekbones, on my nose, my cupid's bow, and on my chin. I couldn't find a clip for my blush, but I am using MAC Cosmetics Peaches Blush. You need this blush in your life. If you love peachy tones, coral leaf tones, oh my god, this is legit one of my favorite blushes to use. To define the lower lash line, I am taking Anastasia's Fudge single eyeshadow, and I'm going to blend that all out, basically using all of the shades that I used in my crease. Going to pop some highlighter in my tear duct area. I wanted a nude color in my waterline, so I'm using MAC Chromographic pencil. I believe that's what it's called. And I am just going to apply this slowly and carefully in my waterline. I made that ugly ass face that everyone makes. For lips, I'm going to do my favorite combo. First, I'm going in with Strip Down from MAC. I know you can't really see this shade on me, but I actually kind of like that. And then I'm going in with Dose of Colors. I believe this is called No Shade from the Desi and Katy collab. Then I like to go back in with my pencil and just blend it all together. From the same collab, I'm taking Over the Top gloss, and I'm going to just apply that to make it all glossy and gorgeous. Time to set with Milani setting spray, and that is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and same as always, I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!